dear parents. Thank you for supporting our online classes to run smoothly. Good morning kids. Before going to today's session, shall we sing a song? Sing along with me. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn like a worm. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Two finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn like a rabbit. Jump, jump, jump. Three finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn like a fly. Fly, fly, fly. Four finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn like a cat. Meow, meow, meow. Five finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn like a tiger. Roar, roar. Very good kids. Shall we know about today? Come. So today is Wednesday. Where is Wednesday? Find out. Where is Wednesday? Wednesday. So spin. So today is Wednesday. So yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Date is 10. Date is 10. This month is February. This month is February. Are you all ready? Today we are going to do an interesting activity. Look here. Here we have two trays containing with different objects. So we want to compare these two trays and spot the difference. Shall we do it? Look at the first tray. What is this? What is the shape? Very good. Rectangle. So can we count it? 1, 2, and this is 3. So how many rectangle? 3 rectangle. Now we want to check it with the second tray. Here also we have rectangle. Count it. How many rectangle? 1 rectangle. So first tray has 3 rectangle. Second tray has 1 rectangle. So we found out one difference. And move to the next one. Look at the first tray. Yeah, we have bell. How many bells? 1, 2, 3. So in first tray we have 3 bells. Look at the second tray. 1, 2, 3. So second tray has 3 bells. So each tray has same number of bells. So move to the next one. What are all these? These are pegs. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pegs? 5 pegs in first tray. Move to the second one. 1, 2, 3. 3 pegs in second tray. So here is 5 and here is 3. So we found out another difference. So what's the next one? Beads. So look here. How many beads in first tray? 1, 2, 3. Check it with the second tray. 1, 2, 3. So each tray has 3 beads. So leave it. Move to the next one. Look at this. What are all these? These are balls. How many balls? 1, 2, 3. So first tray has 3 balls. Check it with the second tray. Second tray has 1 ball. 1 ball. So this tray has 3 balls and this tray has 1 ball. So we found out another differences. So these are the differences we spotted. Shall we do the book activity? What is the name of the activity? Spot the difference. Circle the differences. So shall we do it? Look here. They have given 2 similar pictures. We have to compare this and find out the difference. Shall we do it? Look here. Look at the pictures and compare. So look at the balloons. First count it in the first picture. How many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 balloons in first picture and count it in the second picture. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 balloons. So this is one difference. And then look here. The letter B is missing to the second picture. And look at this girl. Which is missing from her? Compare these pictures and say. Very good. Rightly said. Blowers. Blowers. Look at the picture. Compare and say. Look at the boy. Look at this boy. Yeah, very good. The cap is missing in second picture. So mark this. Very good. Look at the cake. Is there any difference? Count the candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 candles in the first picture. Count it in the second one. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 candles in the second picture. So this is another difference. So how many difference we found out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 differences. So right here, how many differences did you find? 5. Very good. Time for writing. Before writing the new number 20, we are going to recall the numbers from 1 to 19. Shall we recall it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 after 11, 11, 12, 13, 13 after 14, 15, 15 after 16. Say and write, say loudly. 17, 18, 19, 2 near 0, 20. What is the number? 20. 2 near 0, 20. Say and write. 2 near 0, 20. 2 near 0, 20. Say and write. 20. 20. 20. 20. So what is the number? 20. Say and write. 20. Okay kids, now listen to me. You are going to buy your favorite chocolate. So where will you buy? Think and say, where will you buy? Yeah, rightly said, you will buy in the shop. So what will you need to buy? The shopkeeper will give the things just like that? No. You need to give the money to buy the things. So we all need to give the money to buy the things in the shop or market or wherever. So now we are going to learn about money. Shall we learn? So listen here. There are 2 states of money. One is coins. One is coins. And another one is notes. These are notes and these are coins. So repeat. These are coins and these are notes. Once again, coins and notes. In our India, the money is represented as rupees. Say again, rupees. Shall we learn one by one? Look here, this is 50 paise. This is 50 paise. Next one, 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. Can you see the number? What is the number? 1. So this is 1 rupee coin. Next coin, 2 rupee coin. In the middle, you can see the number 2. 2 rupee coin. Next one, 5 rupee coin. Look at the middle. What is the number? 5. 5 rupee coin. And the next one, 10. 10 rupee coin. Look at the number 10. 10 rupee coin. Shall we see the notes? Look here. Look at the number 1. This is 1 rupee note. This is 1 rupee note. And this is, look at the number and say, this is 2 rupee note. This is 2 rupee note. Next one, 5. So the note is 5 rupee note. 5 rupee note. Look here. 10. 10 rupee note. 10 rupee note. 50. Middle number is 50. 50 rupee note. 50 rupee note. Next one is 100. 100 rupee note. 100 rupee note. Next one is 500. What is the number? 500. So the note is 500 rupee note. 500 rupee note. And the last one is 1000. 1000 rupee note. This is 1000 rupee note. So these are coins and these are notes. It's time to end of the session. Whatever we have learned today, practice at home. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from Velu.